guys, on this episode of Music City Cruisers, we get the turbo on.
Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Alright, so everybody's been waiting on this. It's time to make the turbo flange and install the turbo on the 3D. Got the 40 sitting outside, and we've got everything cut out. This right here, I found a DXF file on I Hate Mud from a fellow member there. Downloaded it and had a local shop cut it out on their water jet. So I've already checked it. It bolts right up. We're going to weld the log style manifold together, and once we get that welded up, we'll bolt it up to the side of the block, figure out where the turbo needs to be mounted on the log, and then we'll cut us a hole and weld the flange on for the turbo, and then from there should be pretty simple. Just some bolting it up, plumbing it, and getting a new exhaust routed for it. Let's get to work. And if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to these videos. We've been really good here lately.
Alright, boys and girls, we got this all booger welded together. It's still pretty hot right now. Just letting it cool off. I tacked it all up and then let it cool off. After a couple of passes, just welded it up in sections. So it's all together. We're going to pull the manifold off of the 40. Actually, we may put these end caps on first. Then we'll pull the manifold off the 40, bolt this one on, figure out where the turbo needs to sit in here. Well guys, we got the first part of the exhaust off. Got to take the manifold off, and then we can test fit the new manifold for the turbo. But as you can see, the old exhaust there was saying, "I'm done. Put the turbo on." I just went under there to unbolt it, and it was already disconnected. Well guys, I have screwed up in a major way. If you look right here and look at the flange, and then look up here at this flange, I have welded this flange on backwards. It should be flipped over upside down, and it doesn't matter which way I turn it, it's still wrong. So when I started welding it, I was like, oh crap, did I put it on here right? And I was like, oh no, I can just flip the manifold over, not thinking. So I have fully welded this thing, and it is on here upside down, backwards, inside out. So I'm gonna have to get a new one of these cut. So probably go in the morning and go talk to Mike and see if he can cut one out for me. Happened. Alright guys, as you see here, manifold's installed after I screwed it up the first time. I just went ahead and welded it together without any distractions, and went ahead and put it on. Bolting up the turbo here, it's a Garrett GT 2052. I picked it up from the classifieds on I Hate Mud, and it was just a complete package deal. I didn't have to order anything else for the turbo. It had everything with it, so I'm really happy with that. We're gonna have a part 2 episode here in a few weeks, and we'll just talk about what we've done since the installation, what kind of issues we had with it, and what we did to fix it, and a little bit of the tuning process that we went through. So be sure to check that out here in a couple of weeks when it comes out.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed driving this thing after we got the turbo on. Man, it really changed the drivability of this truck. Love the power, love the sound. I mean, it's just, it's totally turned this thing into a whole different beast. So really enjoy it. If you're thinking about putting a turbo on your 3B or your diesel, do it. We'll see you on the next episode of Music City Cruisers.